Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more news and latest Canadian immigration updates by Blue Eye Immigration.
Hello everyone, today's we are talking about Francophone Mobility Work Permit 2023, LMIA exemption for Tier 4 and 5 workers. As of June 15, 2023, Canadian employers are temporarily exempt from needing a labour market impact assessment to hire French-speaking or bilingual workers outside Quebec who are classified under Training, Education, Experience, and Responsibilities categories 4 and 5 of the National Occupational Classification, with the exception of primary agriculture occupations. This pilot project is valid for a period of 2 years. The Francophone Mobility Work Permit makes it easier for Canadian employers to hire you without a labour market impact assessment, if you meet certain requirements and you are destined to live and work outside the province of Quebec. Who can apply? If you're applying on or after June 15, 2023 to be eligible, you must 1. Meet the general eligibility requirements for a work permit. 2. Live and work in one of the 9 Canadian provinces or 3 territories outside Quebec. 3. Be able to prove you can speak and listen in French at an intermediate level. 4. This would be equivalent to a Niveaux de compétences linguistiques canadiennes, NCLC, level 5 or higher. 5. Have an offer of employment for a job that's classified under any Training, Education, Experience, and Responsibilities category of the National Occupational Classification, NOC, system except primary agriculture occupations. If you applied before June 15, 2023. To be eligible, you must have 1. Met the general eligibility requirements for a work permit. 2. Chosen to live and work in one of the 9 Canadian provinces or 3 territories outside Quebec. 3. Been able to satisfy a processing officer that you could score a minimum of 7 on the Niveaux de compétences linguistiques canadiennes, NCLC, test. 4. Had an offer of employment for a job that's classified under a Tier 0, 1, 2, or 3 category of the NOC. Bringing your family with you. If your spouse, common law partner, or dependent children want to work in Canada, they may be able to apply for an open work permit. Find out if they're eligible for a work permit. Your dependent children can also go to school or university while you're working in Canada. Steps your Canadian employer must take before you apply. Before you apply for your work permit, your employer must A. Submit an offer of employment to Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, through the employer portal using LMIA exemption code C16 for Mobilite Francophone. B. Pay a $230 employer compliance fee. C. Give you an offer of employment number, a 7-digit number required for your application. How to apply? Step 1. Make sure you have what you need. To apply online, you need a scanner or camera to create electronic copies of your documents, and a valid credit or debit card. Step 2. Create your online account or sign in. You need an account to apply online. You can use your account to A. Submit your application forms. B. Check your status. How to start your application? 1. Once you sign into your account, follow the steps below. 2. Go to the Start Your Application section on the Account Welcome page. 3. Click Apply to come to Canada. 4. On the next page, scroll down to the You do not have a personal reference code section. 5. Click the Visitor Visa, Study, and/or Work Permit button. 6. On the next page, select Work. Step 3. Get your document checklist. You must answer some questions to create a personalized document checklist. A. If you're applying from outside of Canada, make sure you answer these questions correctly. When asked how long are you planning to stay in Canada? Based on the offer of employment, choose either temporarily, more than 6 months, or temporarily, less than 6 months. In response to the statement I have a job offer and my employer gave me an offer of employment number or LMIA number, or proof of that your employer applied for an LMIA, answer yes. The offer of employment number is the 7-digit number your employer received after sending their offer of employment to us. When asked what type of work permit do you want to apply for, choose A. Work permit with a labor market impact assessment exemption. If you're applying from inside Canada, make sure you answer these questions correctly. 1. When asked how long are you planning to stay in Canada? Based on the offer of employment, choose either 2. Temporarily, more than 6 months, or 3. Temporarily, less than 6 months. When asked do you have a written job offer, answer yes. When asked which option best describes your work situation, choose I'm applying for an employer-specific work permit with LMIA exemption. Step 4. Fill out the forms. Read the instruction guide before you fill out the form. The guide will explain how to fill out each field on the work permit application form. Step 5. Upload your documents. Your document checklist will ask you for most of the documents that you must upload. You can also upload other documents under client information. There's only one client information field. You may need to combine more than one document in one file and upload them together. Find out how to upload multiple documents into one field. For applications submitted on or after June 15, 2023. 1. You must submit documents that prove you can speak and listen at an NCLC level 5 or higher. This can include 2. Speaking and listening test d'évaluation de français, TEF, or test de connaissance du français, TCF, results. 3. A written confirmation from a college or university for a program in French. 4. This could be a transcript or an official letter of completion. 5. Other documents that show education in French. 6. For applications submitted before June 15, 2023. 7. You were required to prove that your language of daily use is French. This could include 8. Documents that show education in French. Proof that you obtained an NCLC level 7 or higher for all 4 tests in the test d'évaluation de français, TEF, or the test de connaissance du français, TCF. Step 6. Pay your fees and submit your application. You must pay the work permit processing fee.
That is over today in video. Thanks for watching entire video. Hopefully information useful to you. See you later in next video.